Oh my goodness, guys, look, 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 look. My wife and I are leaving the mall in Paraguay, and parked back in the employees' parking is a couple of unicorns in the wild. Oh my goodness, look at this. Audi R8, custom rims, wow. This thing is like a Lamborghini and an Audi's badge. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at that thing. Oh wow, wow. Look at those rims, those are custom. Oh, I don't want to be a pervert and look on the inside. Look at this. This is a Porsche GT3RS. Matching rims. Oh wow, this is amazing. Oh, the dude that owns these is so lucky. Oh, I like his license plate, RSGT 333. Wow.